people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to try and upcycle a hoodie that I have that I stained because I'm a slob and can't keep anything nice. So I want to try and see, if I can bleach tie-dye this shirt. I've seen like a bunch of people do it but with like black, and I want to try it with yellow. I don't know what probably white. Bleach on yellow make white. This is my ApriLynn More Girl Supporting Girls hoodie that I have, but stain. Can you even see that? Nope. There's a stain on her. Multiple stains because I am a slob. You can't even see it. Trust me, there's stains. Like a bluish gray color stain all over this. I think it's hair dye. So I want to do like the twisty normal, or what am I trying to say? Twisty like OG tie-dye technique with bleach and see how it looks. I should see if I have any other shirts that I want to try this to. First, I am going to get the sweatshirt wet in my sink. BRB. I looked it up and it said cotton is a good material to bleach because it's fibrous, so color can come out. I did find another hoodie I'm going to try it on. Unfortunately, I don't know what kind of material it is because I cut the tag off. And it's black, so we can see if it will work. But we're gonna start with the yellow. Here is my work surface. I put a bag down and I'm wearing crap clothes. Work clothes. So I want to do the swirly swirl. And I'm hoping I'll get bleach on this spot that is all messed up. Heave.
Now I see you, yeah, you know I do, to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now.
Oh jeez, that's a big ball of plobbery. I have some rubber bands, hopefully they're big enough. Please don't break.
Now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I'll work it out, I'll work it out. Somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you to show.
Yes. I do not have gloves, but I'll be careful. And let's get to the bleach. So here I have bleach and water together. Do I want to squirt it or dump it? That is the question. Let's try squirt first. I feel like that'd be more contained. And here we go. Nothing's happening. Oh, there. Ah! What happens if you do? Whoa! Oh yeah, okay. Am I supposed to get all? I don't want to do too much. Please work. Clean up, I don't want to do too much and then keeps on squirting. Okay, flipper and the back. Okay, let's see. Anything? Oh, I think it's already working. Something's happening. I don't know. We're gonna put her in the sink and do the black one. Now the black one. I hope the yellow one works, because that's the one I really want to see what happened. Oh, I think I want to do the twisty on this as well. I'm gonna start from the back this time. Wait, is this the back or the front? Front. Or the back of this one has a hole or a cutout. Okay, rubber band time. Now to see if this one is a good material. This one I'm gonna do every other thing, I think.
I see it now, I see it now.
Oh, it's lightning. This one is for sure lightning.
Now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you.
Okay, I'm gonna let these sit and come back when they're done. I think it takes like 20 minutes or until it's your desired color. Okay, bye. Okay, we're back. The black one I think is to my color liking, so I'm gonna take it out. This is what it. Wah! It's really drippy. What do I do? What do I do? This is what it looks like. It's dripping. I'm gonna squeeze some of the juice out and then open it. So I'm gonna open it and then rinse it out, and then when the yellow one is done, I'm gonna do the same thing and then put it in the wash. I actually think that the black one is gonna look better because I think I put too much bleach on the yellow one. But we'll see. Oh, here she is. Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna rinse her out. Okay, I think this is as good as it's gonna get. You probably can't even tell the difference. It just looks like a lighter yellow with a darker yellow. You can see right here, but you can't. Oh, there you can kind of see. Can you see? Let's take the bands off and see how it looks. Take the rubber bands off and give me an anxiety. Oh, 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 oh. Does she look different? Yes, some parts do. Oh! 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 That looks way better than I thought. She looks good. I thought she was gonna be like all bleached, but she's not. Okay, I'm gonna rinse her off, put them in the wash, and see the final result after that.
Know I do to make it through the times we had. I see it now, I see it now. Real love, now I'll break through to show to you that I'm more good than I am bad. I work it out, I work it out. And I'll be somewhere that you need me, and I'll be holding my breath, waiting for you.
Merry Christmas lights. And so those are the finished hoodies. Obviously the black one is more noticeable and stand out with the color change, but the yellow one turned out pretty good too. I thought for sure there was going to be way more dyed area on the yellow one, but there wasn't. Funny thing. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye. Peace out, dude. Christmas light. Christmas lighting. Christmas lighting. Christmas lights. I'm outside. Oh, I almost fell. Oh no, a burnout bow. Bye.
Oh, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think